Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to start recording your screen in the Windows 11 and configure it. So to do this operation, click on the search, write the settings here, and on the left side we're gonna see the gaming option. So click on it, and there is a captures. Yeah, that's it. And then we can choose a folder to save the captures. You see the few options that the record would happen. Yep. So when it's on, you can choose whatever you want to do when it captures. You can set up the max recording length, you can capture audio, video frame rate, video quality, and capture mouse. So when you're recording in game, you can off it to don't see your mouse. To capture your game, just press the Windows and G to open the game bar. That's it. After you can configure your computer, there is a option, the main captures, and from here you can start recording. So this the shortcut is Windows, Alt and R. When you click it, yep, the capture status is on the right here, and now you record your screen. You can stop it, and your clip will record it. So let's take a see. Our folder is video captures. Open a folder, and as you see, we have our recording. Yes, that's right, without the game bar, of course. Yep. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.